Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your freelance workflow with Upwork step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Upwork account. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available options. Identify the key tasks in your freelance workflow that you want to automate. Consider tasks such as time tracking, invoicing, and client communication. Next, explore Upwork's built-in automation features. Access the Settings menu and look for the Notifications section. Customize notifications to manage your workload effectively. Set up alerts for new job postings in your preferred categories. Consider using templates for your proposals. Create a set of standard responses for client inquiries. Utilize the Saved Replies feature for quick communication. For time tracking, download the Upwork desktop app. Enable automatic tracking for projects to avoid manual entry. Regularly review your activity logs to ensure accuracy. Move on to invoicing by setting up automatic payment requests. Set a payment schedule that fits your billing cycle. Use the milestone feature for larger projects to streamline payments. Investigate third-party tools that integrate with Upwork. Popular options include time tracking software and project management apps. Select tools that suit your workflow and offer automation capabilities. Integrate your Upwork account with these tools for seamless operation. Make use of Upwork's mobile app to manage tasks on the go. Regularly check the Upwork blog for updates on new automation features. Stay informed about changes in policies or tools that could affect your workflow. Finally, periodically evaluate your automated processes. Assess their effectiveness and make adjustments as necessary. This will help you maintain an efficient freelance workflow on Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.